Guide to buy car insurance in USA. What car insurance do you need in order to protect yourself without overpaying? Explore the factors you should consider in putting together the right coverage for your vehicle, and will as how to select a good insurance company that will handle your claims if an accident happen. It can be confused, but remember that talking it step by step making it much expensive. Personal injury or personal coverage should be given that important when putting together an insurance package. All state expect new hampering minimum amount to liability insurance coverage both bodily injury ability as well as protect damage ability. One cover cost with injuries following an accident. That other cover cost according to with damage to personal or business property. Both can protect your financial from personal. Important: failing to order increased ability coverage could result in a suspension on your license and finance and jail time. An Insurance Research Council study: if someone is injured in the auto accident, the chances are about 1 in 8 that at fault driver in insurance. Don't trust other driver and don't take guaranteed they will have as good coverage as you do. Thought it can be hard to digest that you must pay a premium and the for someone else's mistake. It's better than foregoing this coverage and risk losing your vehicle. Accident and vehicle damage: you should never thought the worst case insurance will setting insurance what your car is totally and needs to be replaced. It's if this accident is not your fault. The other driver insurance or your unsupported motorist coverage will form the vehicle, but there are other and natural climate that can also destroy your vehicle, and in those cases we will only be able to rely on your insurance. In case such is better have enough coverage to fully replace your vehicle. That includes both counseling and coverage. Counseling coverage can help pay to damage stemming for an accident. Comprehensive cover can help for damage related to things other than accident. For example, it's if a tree branch fall your tree and hailstorm leads to damage, your comprehensive coverage should be kick in. Accident happen, and when they do, insurance is what keeps your financial safe and sound. Whatever an auto collision in your fault or somebody else, your car insurance coverage should help you. How much it helps, however, it's up to you, and this determined by the company to option that compromise your insurance policy. Car insurance is to protect your financial. If you are involved in a car accident, almost every state recommends some type of liability coverage for drivers. Shopping around is the most important for finding the best deal on car insurance rate. Eligibility insurance, compromise insurance, and personal injury protect to someone's of the type of vehicle insurance we may need. Thank you everyone.